Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Esther. So in today's video I want to show you 5 must-have shoes, or the shoes that are most important in your closet. So if you're interested, continue watching. The pair of shoes that you need are the flats or sandals. I just love these sandals so much, you guys, and they are very nice because you can rock these shoes with anything, either with a dress, with a trouser, with a skirt, anything. You can rock these sandals with anything. And the other thing, they are very comfortable shoes, and the color is amazing because when you're choosing your sandals, you really need to look for the color that will suit you. So have the sandals, I don't know, can we call these sandals or flat shoes in black? The first thing that struck me when I saw these shoes is the color and the simplicity. They are so simple but still classy. I love these shoes so much, and they go well with a dress or with some pants, and they are very comfortable. Remember guys, when you're looking for the shoes or for any type of shoe, look for comfortability. Look for the shoes that are very comfortable. Still, I preferred black because, as I said, I have these ones which are like this color is it's not brown, I don't know which color is this, it's like brown with some shine on it. So these are good when you want to upgrade your style, and this is when you want to a laid back look. You can rock these black shoes. So you really need black sandals and maybe another color of your choice. So yeah, the other shoe that you really need are heels. So I have been watching a lot of videos of the shoes must have, and many people suggest palms, but in my case, this is my own opinion. Remember guys, this is my own opinion. I am suggesting any type of heel which is black. It doesn't matter if you have a black palm, or that's my own opinion and my own suggestion. So in this video I'll just show you the heel that I have. And one thing about with this heel, you can rock with any kind of dress, and it will upgrade your look like that instant. So you know, when you recommend a palm, there are people who don't like the palm style. So I just say, if you have any heel that's good for you, or you need at least a heel, the design of the style, it's you to choose. So I have these 2 heels. They're very comfortable, and I love these shoes. They go well with every look, and they can give you that official style, or office look. And I have in black, and also I have in brown. I have this brown. Also they have a here. They have this here. So I love this brown also because it elevates your look like that. And if you're going for like an office look, a casual, a smart casual, or if you want to rock this type of shoes with an outfit that it's more serious, yeah, you can rock your heels, and they are very comfortable. That's the key thing when it comes to shoes. I have to look for something that is so comfortable. I don't need a 5-inch which it will give me problems walking. I just want something that is simple but elegant at the same time. Okay, so the other shoe that you really need, it's an ankle boot. So in this category, you can pick an ankle boot or the long boot. So for my case, I prefer ankle boots because ankle boots are very nice and classy at the same time, and they are very easy to style, and they just upgrade your look anytime, any day. And yeah, I like wearing this more so in those times that maybe it's rainy, and still you want to look classy, or those times that it's in the cold season, because you can't rock your heels or your open heels when it's so cold. These boots, they are very nice, and I love the style. They are very easy to style. So if you don't like the ankle boots, you can go for an option of the long boots. Yeah, they are the long boots. And yeah, so I love these boots. That's my own opinion. So comment down below, let me know which boots you prefer. Do you prefer ankle boots or the other boots? So the other shoe that I really love, if you have been here on my channel, you know I love these shoes. These are my sneakers and I really love rocking these shoes every day. Like, I feel whenever I'm outside doing errands or just I'm just having a, what can I say, either I'm going for shopping or walking, these shoes are very comfortable. So I would recommend getting some sneakers and choose the style that you love. This goes well with everything, and yeah, I love these shoes so much. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below, let me know which are your most preferred shoes in your closet. Let me know. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing for fashion, lifestyle and beauty related videos. Until next time, bye bye.